Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 28th episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. In this episode, we'll write the double action essay's conclusion paragraph. Now let's get cracking. Let's start by collecting the ingredients we need to write the conclusion paragraph. And here is the conclusion paragraph. As the above shows, teaching children proper behavior cannot be accomplished without punishment. Parents and teachers, to make punishment effective, should always be well informed about positive ways to help children learn right from wrong. As a closing note, it is advisable for governments to oversee educational programs aimed at raising awareness about punishment. Well, congratulations, we've written a double action essay. In the next episode, we'll talk about how you can analyze and learn from the essays we've written. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.